Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Lady Enchantress, and today we will discuss the benefits of mulberry and how awesome it is for you to be able to grow this in your own. And today would be specific on the benefits and how amazing it is. Very nutritious plant, and you can just do this right raw in your garden. You can make it as tea. But benefits, list down at least 5, right? If you're new to this channel, can definitely subscribe, and I'll catch you up next time. Cheers. Here it is. Very sweet.
So right now you're looking at my mulberry that I have here in my balcony. You have seen this in the previous video prior to this upload, but right now they are really starting to ripen. So the berries in itself are turning dark red to black. So while I was munching this as a snack, and you can also, by the way, put this in your cereal, I was thinking, what are the best things that it could give to my body? Look at this cute berry. So just like in any other berries, mulberry is very rich in vitamin C. And we know vitamin C is an antioxidant. It is very important for our skin, bones, and our connective tissue. And the best known immune system booster. Like maybe you've heard somebody who is taking ascorbic acid, which is basically vitamin C. And if you can have it as a snack in your garden, well, nature is the best medicine, as they say. So aside from that, iron is also found in this berry. So iron is also very vital for the production and function of our blood. Together with vitamin B6, vitamin B6 actually also help create red blood cells and neurotransmitters, which can, based on research, improve your mood. Aside from that, traces of calcium and magnesium are also noted in mulberry. So we know what are, the benefits of calcium in our body. Aside from those things, it is very rich in fiber, which is for me very important as somebody who is looking into my diet. So fiber helps aid in a healthy digestive system, and it decreases cholesterol level and the risk of some diseases. But anyway, in the first place, this is already an immune system booster. So by that itself, it's, I think, very amazing. It is not just a very good plant that's so prolific. Look at this. Like, I don't even have like really fertilizer for this one. I grow this organically, and you can have all this minerals and vitamins good for your body. The gardening in itself is very rewarding hobby, and on top of that, you still have these wonderful berries. Look at this berry. It's so juicy and it's big. Nice. So just in case you're wondering, also the leaves can be made as a tea, and the traces of those mentioned minerals and vitamins are also found. All right, so if you think there is another major importance or major vitamin that you think mulberry is known for, you can put it in the comments section, and maybe next time I'm gonna make some mulberry tea out of its leaves. And if you find this informative, kindly hit that subscribe button right there on the lower right side, and we'll make more of this kind of videos also soon. All right, enjoy gardening, enjoy your mulberries if you have, and if you don't, it's not too late to have one. Please subscribe. Bye.